The new ATS 18 Mini Excavator series is powered by a Yanmar diesel engine delivering 15.2 horsepower. The engine features an integrated protective structure that effectively shields it from impacts caused by sand and gravel, safeguarding core components and ensuring greater operational durability. Hydraulic cylinders come with protective sleeves to shield piston rods, extending their service life. The dozer blade is upgraded with increased size and thickness for better impact resistance, stability, and durability. Steel tracks with thick rubber layers deliver strong grip, great wear resistance, and stability. Safety handrails on both sides enhance mounting/dismounting safety. The seat with safety belt adjusts fore and aft for stability and comfort. Non-slip pedals ensure secure, effortless control, paired with a high-definition LED display for intuitive operation. This excavator features a retractable crawler chassis with adjustable width. When retracted, it navigates narrow passages with ease. When extended, it significantly enhances stability. Additionally, it supports 360-degree rotation, offering superior adaptability and flexibility. The boom delivers a wide working range and large lateral swing. It handles trenching, slope trimming, and leveling on the spot, perfectly meeting diverse demands of small construction projects.